Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Redmi 13. So first, what we want to do is we want to check the volume during a call. So whenever you are in a call, then you can use the volume up button to see if you actually have the volume turned all the way up. So it's very important. You need to check the volume using the side buttons because you cannot change that in the settings. So now what we can do is we can disable the Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices. So as you guys can see, my Bluetooth is already disabled, but here, let me enable it. As you guys can see, here we will have some available devices. And basically when our phone is connected to, let's say, your headphones, to your car or anything else, then the audio might be routed there instead of your phone. So that might also cause an issue, so I recommend disabling the Bluetooth for the time of testing it. And then what you guys can do is clean the earpiece with a soft brush. So I do not have a soft brush with me, I have a soft cloth and it won't do the job. But right here, right up top, we will have the earpiece, and right here we need to brush it to get rid of any dust or debris, because it can also block any connection. So not exactly the connection, but the sound. Now, after cleaning it, you guys can test it with another call. So you guys can call somebody in the phone app or simply try another app. So for example, you won't use the phone app by default, you will use WhatsApp for an example, Viber, or maybe even Instagram or anything else that supports the calls. Now, if nothing helped, you guys can try and restart your phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now, after that, we need to swipe down to reboot, let go of our finger, and now our phone is rebooting. So I'll see you guys once it's ready to use. Now after the phone restart, what you guys can do is go over to the settings, and then here we can basically check if we have an update available. So let's go over to the about phone. Now here, as you guys can see, we have an option to update our device, and as you guys can see here, we have the update to HyperOS 2. So this can fix our glitches. So just click on download update and the rest will go by itself. So all you have to do is click one button, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.